Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how can we make these bracelets. So I don't use exactly the same color, but you can choose what color you want. I like these bracelets because it's actually thick and strong. It's reversible, so you can do both ways. You can also take out to do outside part. And it's very simple to make. So there we go. I usually use the white nylon. This is about 2 meters, or say 60 inches. I'm not quite sure about inches, maybe you can check out. Anyway, it's 2 meters. And first we will do is fold this 2 meter white nylon into half, right in the middle, and I'm gonna use this way to decide how long I want to use for the center cord. So I usually do is take out the middle, right in the middle, put it on my arm, and see how long I want. Usually I don't take like too close because I worry something wrong and I want to adjust them, so I will put like that way. So that seems good. So what I'm doing is just take that part, and now I need to turn over this way and put in the middle of them, because we're gonna use this as the center cord, so you will put in the middle of them. I will start to make a first knot. Okay, let's start from you bring the right string on the center cord, and now you have to make a small loop on your right side. Now you use the left cord to put it on your right side this way, and now go under all the string in the middle and go into that right loop, and then you pull them out. Now you basically made one side. Okay, now it's good. Now what we need to do, just make another, we do another side. Now we do make the left loop. So we put we bring over the left cord on the middle cord and put the right cord on the left cord. Then the right cord go under all the string, go into that left loop we just made, and then you pull out it, then slightly pull up together. Now we just finish the flat knot. This is we're gonna do the rest of the bracelets. This knot is all we need. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we keep doing this. Put right cord, make the loop, and bring this on it under all the strings, go into the right loop and pull out. There. Let's do another side. One, make the left loop, the right on the left cord, and then go under that all the string, go into that left loop and pull out. Okay, that's basically for the flat knot. You can, if we use a different color, 2 sides use a different color, you can see this will be different color, but now I use the same color. Okay, if you are not sure about how do we do flat knot, I also have another videos in the description, you can check them out. And the trick is once you do this for a while, you might forget which way you need to start. Like right now, how do you know which way I need to start, which side I need to start? Okay, I tell you the tricky. So if you bring over closer, you can see this side is lower than that side. So we always start the lower side. So I will start that way. Make that loop. Go there, go into there, pull out. Now you can see that side, this chord is lower than that chord. So we start the lower chord that way. There. Just like that, you will finish the rest of the bracelets. And we're gonna do is, that's all we need. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I actually like to, this is like not really firm, and what I usually do is use a jaw, and I also still use the clip. You can use small or big clip, doesn't matter, like that. Now it's quite strong and my hands can put on the jaw. I kind of like this. So now I'm gonna finish the rest of the bracelets here. Again, this chord is lower than that chord, so I start from there. Okay, now this chord is lower than that chord, so I start from there. For a while, your hand quite already know what should you do. It seems like a lot of work, but actually this flat knot can make a lot of design for different bracelets. Now we almost run out the string, so what I will do is I just put it on my arms to see if it's good enough. I would say it's actually good. It looks like a little bit short, but don't worry because we're gonna have another layer, so it won't feel that way. Okay. Now, what we need to do is cut the end. Don't cut it too long or too short. That's a good place that you cut it. And now you need to singe the end. Okay, not bad. Now we finished the one layer. We're gonna do is finish this another layer, and this time we're gonna use the blue nylon. And what we do is I still use about 2 meters, or maybe 60 inches. Still make two ends even, and then I start from the middle. there. So I'm gonna use the clip like there. And right in the middle, the left side there, put on it and go through under all the strings, go into the right loop. Basically we're doing the same thing for flat note. Right, now we do another side. Put this on the middle. Now we basically use this whole bracelet as the center chord and make another layer of the flat knots. Okay, we put this side and put the on the left side. Go on the all string, go into the left loop and pull. Make sure there's no gap between them. What we need to do is, let's see which side we start. See, this side is lower than that side, so we start from the lower side. So make a loop on it, put on that string, go under all the string, go into the loop we just made. Okay, here you might want to do, see, each knot have a part that coming out that we just put a string right between those two gaps. We're still making flat knot, nothing else, just another flat layer of flat knot. Now this side, I want to that part of white coming out, so I will put this string right in the gap like there. Make it tight. Now you can see it started coming out left, right, left. Now we're doing that. Okay, again, the lower side goes first. There. That side coming out. Now, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, now we finish the bracelets part, and let's see if it's okay. Yeah, there. And what we need to do, we just put this chord into the end. Now we just make a knot there, the end. So the end is already very short, so I can just singe it. What I'm going to do is just put this screw nut in. Now I need to make knots so it won't go away. Now this one's still going up, so let's make another one. Now it won't go out, so that's good. Now all we need to do is just cut the rest of it away and singe it. See, some nylon, when you singe it, it's turning to black. Okay, really doesn't matter. Like that. Okay.